Coach, welcome.
Thank you.
Uh, Another season is here again, and we need to prepare and be ready. First of all, how has your preseason been so far? Are your boys ready for the new campaign? And how are the new boys slotting in into the team?
Okay, I think the only problem we had was after the season, we couldn't have the opportunity to rest. We played the FA Cup. Immediately we finish, we attacked the Presidential Cup. Immediately we finish, we travel outside to play Kaiser Chiefs. So when we came back, it was then the stage for us to do the preseason. So it instead of us to rest, we couldn't rest enough, and then we started. So I think we're also in the first phase of the preseason when top four issue also came. So I have to adjust the way we go in, and then we came to the what do you call it, top four. In terms of creativity at goal, it was nice, but the play wasn't good because I know from where we stopped and then came for the top four. There's no way we can gel. At the end of the day, we couldn't score even a goal. And I wasn't down. I know definitely this is what is going to happen to the team. But we came back, gathered our memento, and then we went for the champion of champion, and then we won. So gradually we are on it, trying to fix things. You know, when you are with a lot of new players, it takes time for them to gel because the adaptation is not easy, and then the level of intelligence is not the same. So it will take, even the Europeans will tell you it takes time. Some will tell you it take a season before the thing will gel to the way you want it. But there's nothing we can do. We have to fight and fight hard, and then adjust our thinking, adjust our attitude towards the league, and then the Confederation Cup. So we are on it. In terms of injury, we are still facing problems with injury. When you look at the set of the midfield we are having in team, is not. I don't even think he might be. It's not likely we'll get him in the first half of the season, and then Baba too is not well. So we are left with only entry in the middle, and then before the new ones come. So we are trying to let them play together, and then you gel, and then the team will be going on. But this, of all what I said, doesn't mean we are not ready. We are ready to play. We are ready to play, but how people will be expecting it to gel, it will take time, but we will play.
Coach, how excited are you with regards to the new boys in terms of what you were expecting when you first saw them, that they can help the team, you have them, coach them? How do you feel? Are you impressed with your boys, and what should we expect from them?
Why not? Because individually they are very good, but in terms of bringing them together is what I'm facing now. So I think this week we started talking to ourselves. We go to the video room to analyze the team together with them. So I had a meeting with them on Monday, and then everybody came out with what is his problems, not in terms of, but playing problems. You know the way I want them to play. So I have to be a little bit soft with them, but I will make sure that they come to the level I wanted. And aside that, resources also matter as well. So we are trying to combine the two because my philosophy is adding beauty to goal scoring. And people don't see it now, but it takes time. It will come.
Coach, we begin the season with a very difficult game away, a venue that we've not won. Berekum Chelsea. It's difficult. Do you see it the same way?
Kotoko don't have a soft game. Kotoko never had a soft game. I remember when I was also playing the younger clubs, anytime they see Kotoko, you see us matching towards Kotoko, doing everything we can do to beat them. So in terms, I told my boys, the way you prepare against Kotoko when you were not in Kotoko. Like the same thing the other clubs to prepare, the players to prepare against you. To me, not only the team, not only what do you call it,
Including
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
The game is very difficult. Moreover, according to history, Kotoko don't easily had it easier over there. But there's always a day in your life that can change issues. So we still have our confidence and hope that we can do it.
Coach, you are meeting another coach who is very experienced in terms of winning the league, the FA Cup, as you've been very successful. Does it add a little spice to the game in terms
Why,
of that tactical aspect?
why not? Why not? Everybody want to beat Kotoko. Every coach want to beat Kotoko. That makes Kotoko work so difficult because there's no easy game for Kotoko. So it's like you can come all out in us. So we are also ready, getting prepared for every coach. You understand me? Because football is about moment. Where you had your moment and you make good use of it, and that's all.
Coach, to be very successful and to win the league, we look back at last season, the number of goals that we scored throughout the season, which was somewhere 38, and you have four attackers. That is strike Kwame Poku, Morifin. You've added Morifin. You have Albert, and now the youngster Jordan Emisa. Have you set any target for these guys in terms
So
of
I
the
tell you,
goal
we
average?
sat together, we think together. It's not only normalize their scopes. So we set the target that the only thing we have to set, only objective we have to set that defeated Kotoko is to win the league. Aside that, nothing else. So since we've all agreed, it means everybody has to be at his best.
Coach, I know all the 18 clubs, coaches they are under serious pressure to perform one way or the other. But beyond that, you carry a different pressure. That is being a former player of the club, wanting the club to win every trophy. Supporters are in, waiting to see 3 points at the end of the every game that you play. Are you ready? How are you preparing yourself
Well,
for
I
the
think
heat
when
ahead?
you go through the coaches of today, I'm not the oldest anyway, but in terms of experience, I also have. But experience alone can't win your game. And I know the club I'm in. I've played for getting to 10 something years, and then I was successful when I was playing. And again, this is not the first time I come to Koto. You know, this I think the third time I was here as an assistant coach. Later, I took over from Malik. Then it went and came back as with Didi at the top, and then I was also controlling the U17 where we had so many good players presenting Ghana today. And this is the third time. So I know what is at stake. So only we have to work hard to achieve because Kotoko is it's not a club that can succumb itself for any other result apart from win. So we'll do our best.
So you see that your pressure is different. That's in what the target for you from the expectation from the supporters is different
Yes,
compared to
whatever
the
it is, they will talk.
Yeah.
I know they will talk. But all what I will tell them is they should be patient in terms of our play. Sometimes it will come and then it will go. Because we've not started jelly. It's a fact.
Yeah.
I think I was with my technical team yesterday. I told them it can take you a season to gel, but we are forcing issues. They have to understand us, and that's not an excuse for me to go off my target. My target is to win the league. At the end of the day, what matters most is to win the league. So I think we need a press. That is more important because when you do the football analysis at the end of the day, you had everything right, but still you lost the game. You can attribute it to lack of luck because an element of luck can also, but an element of luck goes with hard work. You understand? You did everything right, but the ball didn't enter. So that is why we attribute it to an element of luck. But yes, we are seriously working on our deficiencies so that we'll be better during the league.
Are your boys ready for Saturday?
Yes, they are very, very ready. We are very, very ready. We are still in camp. Everything is going smoothly. I'm only praying that those who are injured should be okay before the Africa.
All right. Thank you very much, Coach. We wish you the very best for the weekend.
Thank you very much.